Hello everyone. Today's introduction is MKE XK12B blood group card centrifuge. This machine is suitable for 6 columns, 8 columns of blood group card centrifugation experiments. Widely used in serology, blood routine testing, microcolumn gel immunoassay experiments, etc. Color digital screen display. The machine is equipped with a 12-card blood group card loader. Before centrifugation, the sample cards are placed symmetrically into the card holders in equal quantities. Ensure the centrifugation effect. Professional program design. Default P1 and centrifugation program can be adjusted. Lightly press the set key. When the parameter is blinking, press the up, down arrow keys to accelerate, decelerate. Press the orange key to toggle the display between RPM and centrifugal force. Press OK to save after adjustment. Tap the green start button. The device enters into the running stage. Visualize the door cover and rotor operation is clearly visible. The door cover is automatically unlocked after running with a beeping sound. Lightly press the up key to switch to the P2 experimental program group. Parameters cannot be adjusted. Press the start button to run directly. In standby mode, long press the direction key for 3 seconds. When the number is flashing, press the direction key again to adjust. There are 10 levels of speed, 0 to 9.